Morning students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. In this video, you will learn about the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau or the Peninsular Plateau stretches from the central part of India to its southern tip. The Southern Plateau is rocky and wide in the north and narrows down in the south. The plateau is outlined by the Western Ghats in the west and Eastern Ghats in the east. In the north, it is bordered by the Aravalli Range and by the Nilgiri Hills in the south. The rivers in the southern plateau are mainly rain-fed. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. Narmada, Tapi and Periyar drain into the Arabian Sea. The southern plateau is divided into two parts by the river Narmada. The northern part is called the Central Highlands and the southern part is called the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands consist of the Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is of volcanic origin. It is drained by the Chambal and Betwa rivers and bordered by the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Range. Most of the Madhya Pradesh falls in the Malwa Plateau region. The Chota Nagpur Plateau, also known as Mineral Belt of India, is bordered by the Satpura Range in the northwest and drained by the river Damodar. It includes Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northern eastern Chhattisgarh. It has large deposits of coal and other minerals. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats, extended up to the southern tip of peninsular India. It is drained by the Godavari, Indravati, Krishna, Kaveri and Mahanadi rivers, which flow eastwards into the Bay of Bengal. Some areas in the region have red soil, which is good for growing crops such as groundnut, tobacco, millets, potato and sugarcane. Now we will discuss about the life in the plateau region. Many states of India, including Madhya Pradesh, parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu lie in the southern plateau region. Madhya Pradesh lies in the center of India and in the central highlands. Panna is famous diamond mine of the state. The state has rich forest reserves and has more than 10 national parks. The Kanha National Park and the Bandhavgarh National Park provide sanctuary to tigers. Chhattisgarh has both hills as well as plains. The Bhilai steel plant in Chhattisgarh is a major producer of steel in the country. Chhattisgarh has scenic waterfalls also. Some parts of Odisha towards south-east Chhattisgarh are located in the central highlands. Maharashtra lies in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. The black soil that is found abundantly in parts of Mumbai is suitable for growing cotton and sugarcane. Maharashtra has many textile industries. Jharkhand is rich in minerals and forest reserves. A large section of the population in the state is tribal. In 2014, a new state named Telangana was created from some parts of Andhra Pradesh. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, one of the largest dams in the world, is located here. Dear students, in this video you have learned that the Southern Plateau is divided into the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Farming and mining are the important activities of the Southern Plateau. Thank you and have a nice day.